just talk about some different video ideas. With you, explain to me. So you made a couple of videos, you used them on social media, you uploaded them, you put them up here. What kinds of questions do you get quite a bit from people that are moving into the area or people that are trying to sell? What are your frequently asked questions?
Um, for people moving into the area,
Sure.
well, school systems, a lot of
Yep. Huge.
people ask about school systems. Um, People inquire about, you know, what's more diverse areas, what's more
Hmm.
eclectic areas, um,
Hmm.
what's the difference in the different beach areas, Atlantic Beach, Ponte Vedra Beach, Neptune Beach, Jax Beach. What are the
Yep.
differences in those? There are a lot of, brand new homes being built in different areas. Like there's a place called Nocatee here, and people ask, okay, what's the difference in living in Nocatee as opposed to living in Ponte Vedra Beach? Because they're close, but Nocatee's more, it's across the intercoastal. And that's
Sure.
another question. What's the intercoastal? What's so special about being across the bridge going east as opposed to being across the bridge going west? So yeah, and the difference in the counties as well, Duval County or St. Johns County, which one's the best county to be a part of or to be in, as opposed to if you have
Hmm.
kids or don't have kids. So yeah.
So, so you just basically laid out all of the videos that you need to create,
Mhm.
because as much as, and this is the thing. So business owners, I'm really glad I'm getting goosebumps because I'm really glad you did this, because if I asked you, okay, what are topics that you want to record videos on? You'd blank. You'd be like, I don't know. But when I
Right.
ask you frequently asked questions, you just spit off 10 of them easily. And those are questions that people are going on to Google or YouTube and looking to find information on. So
Okay.
uh, let's start with one of them. You just said school systems. Great
Right.
one, right?
Right.
I know that my business partner moved to Atlantic Beach because it has an amazing school system. Smaller
Right.
area, the schools are right there. They can ride their bikes right to the schools. Very
Hmm.
happy with that.
Right.
So here are the videos that you could do. One, talking head video, just a selfie. What are the best school systems? Hey, according to US News, according to this, according to school ratings or whatever, here are the best school systems in order. Here's why they're the best school systems according to parents, that we've talked to. So there's one video. Uh, is Atlantic Beach a good school system? Video. Is Neptune Beach? Is Jax Beach? So on and so forth. So you want to do all those. Now, of course, it would be great if you could make them for every area. I know some of those areas do not have good school systems. So you could also talk about the prospect of the population growing and the school system improving over time, right? But we
Right.
want to be honest and ethical, but at the same time, you don't want to say you're trying to sell houses in a certain area and they have horrible school systems and you just kind of omit it. You're just like, hey, here's what we look for and here's what we're seeing in
Hmm.
trends that the school system will improve over time with a higher population or with more wealth coming in or the housing prices going up, whatever. So there you go. Now,
Okay.
another thing you can do is go interview school administrators or principals or
Hmm.
teachers in the different schools. This is a little bit more involved. So you might go to a superintendent, but go interview them and ask them, why is your school so good? You have to know that you being a parent and working with
Right.
parents, know that those people are looking for as much information as they can. I don't just trust US News to tell me what the school is or the schoolratings.com or whatever. Like those are just subjective, whatever. Those could be influenced by a whole bunch of things. I would love to see an interview with the superintendent. And I'm sure the superintendent would love to have an interview on YouTube. So it's a win-win for you. Even if you set up a Zoom session like this and don't go talk to them publicly, whatever.
Right.
But if you can go do that, if you can go take tours of the schools after school so that there's no kids and just tour around and show some things, or if they already have one and you repurpose it, those are all videos that you can attach to your YouTube channel and upload here. So now you're an expert.
Oh, that's yeah. That's kind of genius because I never would have thought about that.
Town
That's a lot of.
administrators.
Right.
I want you to go to the town clerk office or whatever else you have there. It's all different, but go talk to those people. Hey, what's the process of someone moving in that needs to create a new business in Atlantic Beach? What do they have to do? Now you've got a video for all those small business owners that are looking to relocate there, and they're looking for, what do I have to do? Because those town websites are horrible.
Right.
It's like
Yeah.
reading IKEA directions. So let me get a video from you where you're talking to them and you're like, hey, what steps do they have to do? What considerations should they have? Are you friendly to home-based businesses or remote businesses? Just interview. Now you're showing your personality and you're giving people value-add information,
Right.
right?
Right. Makes sense. Yeah.
So we just came up with probably 15 videos you could do. You create a template and just pop through them for the different communities.
Mm.
Now Marcellus Heath is the expert in those communities.
Right. Right. Okay.